Xero Review, Features, Walkthrough, Pros, and Cons. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Xero, one of the world's leading cloud-based accounting platforms. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or accountant, understanding your options is crucial, and Xero is packed with features that might just make your life a whole lot easier. So we're going to take a look at some of its key features, and we're going to do a hands-on walkthrough so we can get started. Starting off, what exactly is Xero? Xero in itself is an online accounting tool. It is designed to automate and simplify your financial management. It is used by over 3 million businesses worldwide, from everything from invoices and payroll to bank reconciliation and real-time reporting. Because it is cloud-based, you can access your finances anytime, anywhere from any device. That means you're always in control, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Now, starting off, we're going to take a look at some of its key features and how we can get started with signing up. Now, to get started with signing up, simply head on over to Xero and click on Try Xero for free. You can avail your 30-day free trial, so you're just going to enter your basic information over here. And I'm just going to continue and complete my information. After that, I'm just going to add my phone number. And then after that, we're just going to choose our location. So we're just going to proceed on over here. And then we're going to agree to their terms of service. And we're going to click on next. We're going to add our country code over here. I'm just going to search for my country code, which should be around here somewhere. And now I'm just going to proceed. Once you've done this, you're going to verify your email account. So I'm just going to go into my mailbox, and this is what my mailbox. Over here in your mailbox, you should have an email by Xero. You're going to verify that this is your email, and then you're going to activate your account. So simply create a suitable password for your account, and your account will be activated. And just like so, you've created your free account on Xero. Now, the first 30 days are completely free. You don't have to, sign up with a credit card. It is completely free. Your payment information is something you can add later on. So you can just proceed with your basic information, starting off with our business name, our industry, as well as, so I'm going to select my industry, clothing retailing. No, it's just me. And then we're just going to click on Start Trial. Once you click on Start Trial, your onboarding will be completed. Now you do have to authorize a few things, and then your dashboard is going to appear. Now in our dashboard, some of the key features include invoicing and billing automation, which is the first feature I want to show you guys. Starting off, we have our basic business setup. You have your basic business dashboard, and then on top you have business. When you click on business, it shows you invoices. So you can click on invoices over here. Now with Xero, you can create professional branded invoices in minutes. You can set up automatic payment reminders and offer clients online options such as Stripe and PayPal for payments. You can even track when invoices are opened and paid, so you're never left guessing about your cash flow. You can click on New Invoice and just create your invoice. And if you upload your company logo, it can be added as the default logo. And all you have to do is input the information, and you will have a preview on the right side. Now after that, we also have an expense tracker. So under business, you guys can see that we have expense claims. When you go into expense claims over here, this becomes a really easy breeze. You can easily snap photos of receipts with your phone and categorize your expenses automatically. You can handle reimbursements with a few simple clicks, and Xero Expenses and HubDoc make this process even smoother, reducing manual data entry that you have to do, because manual data entry is where a lot of people are going to have, issues, because it's really difficult to just manually enter everything, and just having the ability to scan with your phone has made it so much more easier. Next up, you have bank feeds and bank reconciliation. Now, this is something that is, again, a really essential feature, especially when you take a look at accounting. You want to go into bank accounts and link your bank account here. When you link your bank account, you can connect it, and then you have secure automated feeds. Xero will automatically import your transactions and suggest matches, so reconciling your accounts is fast and accurate. And you even have inventory management with Xero. You can go on ahead and take a look at your product under products and services. Once you go under products and services, you can see your products that you're selling as well as any of the services that you're selling, and you can create them over here as well. Not only can you create those products and services, but you will see the quantity as well as ingoing and outgoing orders. So cost price, sales price, quantity, all of that can be managed here. You can click on new item to create your item, and you can see cost price, purchasing, as well as taxes, descriptions, and then selling prices as well. So you can link each individual purchase account as well as sales account that should be linked to the sale and purchase of every single product or service. This makes it really easy for you to later on have your products be sold and then having to see, oh, where did our cash flow go? You also have payroll, which is amazing if you go under business. Again, this is something that I do find to be, one of the major benefits. And when you go into online payments and pay run, it is no longer a hassle. It's really easy to manage your payroll because you have built-in payroll which can handle tax submissions, and you can send out pay slips, all while staying compliant with your local laws. And you also have budgeting and reporting. So if you go into your general analytics, you have short-term cash flow as well as business snapshots. This allows you to just have a profit and a loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow reports. All of those can be created over here. You can even schedule reports to be sent out automatically. And if you do business internationally, Xero supports multiple currencies with daily exchange rate updates. Tax calculations and digital filing are automated in supported countries, making compliance much simpler. And finally, Xero has its own mobile application that lets you manage your business on the go. Plus, you can connect with Xero with your project manager, CRM, e-commerce, and other applications. So, in today's time and age, what is new in Xero? Well, you can upload multiple bills at once. You have enhanced bank feeds, and you also have inventory features including batch tracking and reorder alerts. So when it comes to the pros and cons of using Xero, it's easy to use, intuitive. It can be slightly expensive though. There's no free plan, only a free trial, and there is limited phone support. Mostly you're going to have to deal with emailing back and forth if there is ever something you want to alter in Xero. However, they are really scalable for growing. They have advanced reporting features, and they are multi-currency supportive as well as strongly compliant with a lot of legal authorities. So, should you be using Xero? Well, Xero is ideal for small to medium businesses, startups, freelancers, and accountants who want a cloud-based scalable solution. However, if you run a micro business or need advanced payroll or time tracking, that is an unsupported feature in certain regions, so you might want to compare another option. In general, Xero is a feature-rich accounting platform that is going to fulfill all of your needs, although it can be slightly expensive when you think about just using this as a platform to get started. Their plans are pretty cheap, and you guys can see that if you opt for Xero right now, you can save upwards of 90% for the first 3 months of using Xero. So instead of paying the $29, you only pay $3 for their startup plans. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more software tutorials and reviews.